Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on a REALME 11. To do this, we'll need to open our settings or any app that allows you to scroll down. I'm going for the settings because I find it the most simple way. And then now make sure that you're on top of that page and then click on the power key right here and volume down key there at the same time. You'll make a screenshot. Now select the scroll on this pop-up and it should begin to scroll down the entire page. It goes slowly and you can click on done when you're satisfied with the amount of your scroll shot. When it reaches button, click on done and you will get yourself a full page screenshot right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.